This was how I created this short video using only an AI agent. From creating the images, the scene, the script, and everything will be done using just this AI. All you have to do is to give in your description and the AI will handle everything. Before we start, let's take a look at the video that I generated. That is just the beginning of the video. At the end of this video, I will show you a full preview of how the video looks like. So let's quickly get started. So to create that, you need to come to this website called OpenArt AI. The link to this website will be in the description or in the comment section of this video. So when you get to OpenArt AI, here you will see director mode. So you need to click on this director mode. You will see different options that you can start with. We have short film, music video, product art, ad, remake, social content, UGC ad. So if you are creating UGC ad, you can also use this website. But for this, we are going to be using short film. So click on short film and it will take you to another interface. These are example videos created using this website. To create a video, you come to this text box area and this is where you enter in the text description or the story description that you want to create. So for this particular one here, I'm going to just enter in this description. A young girl coming back from school, riding a bicycle through a busy traffic street, dodging cars, and then was about to get hit by a big bus. Then an invisible hand pushed the big bus away. So that's the story description I want to create this video about. After you have entered in your story description, then you need to choose the visual style for that story. We have custom visual style. You can customize your own visual style. We have cinematic, we have experimental, we have monochrome, we have animated, and then we have artistic. These are some template visual style available here. So for my kind of story, I will go with the animated. Then here you select how long you want your video to be. At default, it will be on 45 seconds. So you can increase that up to 180 seconds. That's around 3 minutes of the video. For my video, I'll just keep it on 60 seconds because I want it to be 1 minute long. After adding that, then you need to add in your reference image. Adding your reference image is optional, but if you have a specific character in mind and you want the AI to use that specific character, then you must add in your reference image. So for this, what I did, I need to click on this place and then I'll upload my reference image. So you click on upload images here and then you upload the image. So this was the image I used. So if you don't know how to create a character sheet like this, I will do a video on that. You can simply just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a character reference sheet for a particular character that you are going for. So this kind of style is called 3D animated style. After selecting your image, then you come down here where you see confirm. So you can confirm that particular selection. So click on confirm right here and then your image is going to be added here. Remember, you can add up to 4 reference images. So let's say, for example, this girl's mother will be visible in this story. You can also add the girl's mother's reference image. After you have done that, then you click on direct my short film. So once you send it, the AI agent is going to use that description like this. Once the AI is done, it's going to ask you to select the aspect ratio that you want your video to be in. So you can see I have an aspect ratio here. I'm using 9:16 aspect ratio. After selecting the aspect ratio, the AI will also ask you to select which quality you want that video to be rendered in. So I'm going for 1080p light. Once you answer those 2 questions, then the AI is going to proceed to write the entire script and draft out every scene that your story needs. So after that, the AI will give you a story concept for the entire story. And if you are satisfied, then you ask the AI to continue. If you are not satisfied, then you can come down here and describe how you want the story to go. But if you are satisfied, you click on the continue button and the AI will continue with the process. So here it says script approved. Now let's build the production plan. So just after some few minutes, the AI will give you this entire detail. So these are my characters. After that, the AI will also give you the location where the story is taking place. Once that is done and you're satisfied with what you have gotten, then you can ask the AI to proceed. But if you are not satisfied, satisfied, you can ask the AI to change any part of your images. If you want to do that, you need to come down here, and then if you hold shift on your keyboard, press Alt, you can select a particular image that you want the AI to change. But right now I'm satisfied with what I've gotten, so I ask the AI to go on with generating the video. It doesn't take much time to provide a download button right from here for you to download your video. And if you're okay with the entire video, you can go on to click on this download button to download your video. So this was how I generated this short viral video using OpenArt AI. So now let's take a look at the entire video preview.